I'm back at Universal today to check out the Nope sets and the Nope merchandise. Now, this is near and dear to me because that box right there from the movie I actually made. They started out as FedEx boxes. Sometimes I make props for movies too. And we gift wrapped them. This took so long. They were so huge. We added bows. We did 2 of them because we weren't sure how the special effect was going to work. Yep, that's the box that Gordy opens up and the balloons come flying out and it starts the whole situation. Now this box was bluish, but they did tint it more green once they did the film in post-production. And there's some more little packages that I wrapped. So let's take a look at some of the packages at my house before they left for the studio. We used some banana paper. That was so fun. Those were for watch boxes, but I don't think that part made it into the movie. But you can see the color theme that was going on, and those were all of the packages that were on the set and destroyed. All right, let's check out the merchandise. This is at the Universal Studios store. I love this t-shirt, but my favorite one is coming up, but that gold is such a great color, such a classic throwback. Okay, we've got Copper Potts Cove. Now that fish restaurant is also in the movie Us, and these are branded with the Nope logo. This is my favorite t-shirt, the black one with the Star Lasso Experience. If you turn it over, it's got a really cool back. I love that. Those ones were running a little small, so if you did get that, you'd want to get a larger size one. Look at these cute buttons. I did purchase these pins because I have a pin collection, and I love these magnets too. They're so fun. Not a lot of Nope stuff, but for fans of Jordan, you will have a little bit to choose from. When you're on the tour, you can see the Fry's Electronics picture car that was used in the movie. This is at the first picture car tour on the tram tour, and it's the very last car featured. And then towards the end of the tour, you get to see the sets. And look at this fun map. I found that on jupitersclaim.com. And when you're coming in, you will see all the sets that have been transported over to the Universal backlot, and the details are amazing. So if you are a fan of Nope, this is a must check out. Now here we are live from the tram tour, and you can see how cool and the details are just even coming in. It was so fun.
Starring Keke Palmer, Stephen Yeun, Daniel Kaluuya. We're going to Jupiter's Claim, and here to tell you all about it is writer-director, Academy Award winner, Mr. Jordan Peele.
That's Mom worked on it.
Team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together
new.
to take an impossible mission.
This is new. I never seen it.
This is Jupiter's Claim. Nostalgic, small-time, Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park.
Oh my God, that scared me! Mom!
Have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what the
Oh my God!
No? Right. A little further Star Lasso Experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
They have that!
Not looking so live anymore. Anyway,
I got goosebumps like when I did.
you can see the brand new Star Lasso Experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Not looking so live.
I hope you enjoyed this little look at Nope at Universal Studios and some behind the scenes of the prop making. I'll be back here again with another fun theme park tour. Until then, be sure you like, share, and subscribe.